Hello from Slovenia. So, I did some experimenting off camera on old CDs that they don't work anymore. And this is one of them. I will show you a close-up at the end. And this is the second one with the same colors, because I have these colors mixed already. If you didn't see my previous, I can show you. I used them on this canvas, and you can see that it dries nice and colors are stayed the same. I can't show you shimmer, but they're really beautiful colors together, for my opinion. But today I will use a little different base. I have white house paint mixed with Winsor&Newton titanium white. Not much, and I will see how this will dry, because these are my first. This is the third one that I do. You see, it's really thick, so I don't know how this will dry. I hope that it will dry okay, and if it will, I will resin this and do the backs and do some nice coasters or something. I will see. I'm not decided yet, so I will add just a little more paint here in the middle. You see how thick this is. I don't know how this will dry, but lately many artists reveal their recipes for this blooming technique. I just ordered some rounded canvas boards, so that's why I decided that I will try to do first on old CDs to see how this will work. And this is the consistency. No, I'm almost done with this greenish blue from Amsterdam. So I will have to mix some more. So this is the first layer, and I will add iridescent bronze. Maybe this, see, pretty thick. I will change the order this time. Last time I did it differently. I want to see how this will change the whole thing. And blue violet from Amsterdam. And this is Pearl-X pigment turquoise. And these paints are mixed with my pouring medium. You can see the recipe in video number 208, and a little bit of Valejjo satin varnish. And this is the white on the top. It's thin, and it's only my pouring medium titanium white, Winsor&Newton titanium white, and water. So let's blow. And wait a little bit. And you saw my head again, I see. It's hard to blow. I will try to do another one and see if I can get my head out of. I will just put this aside and start stretching it. I will try to stretch it a little bit on all sides. I don't know, this technique is called bloom technique, but I'm not going for exactly the bloom today because these colors are so kind of earthy together that that they reminds me of some landscape more than a flower. That's why I just didn't go exactly for a flower shape. I don't mind some white. Whoops, I was off camera, I see. I don't know how to tilt to that you can see the best. Because of this thick base coat, this takes a little time to tilt, but it's such a satisfying process for me. I know that it's not the same for you because it's hard to show on camera what we see when we do this. All this beauty comes to life when you stretch it. And maybe this order wasn't such a good idea, so I prefer violet on top more than blue. It is kind of electric look too, but I don't know. We will see how this will dry, if this will work at all. You see what I mean when I said that this color combination reminds me on, it's more an earthy tones. So that's why I don't go exactly for a bloom. I prefer more kind of landscape look in this. And I'm just afraid that I over tilt this one. I don't know if I like this one. I like the first two more, so next one will be definitely with purple on top. So this one is the one that I did just now, and I didn't get a lot of this beautiful effects that I like here. You see, it's almost like, I don't know, not a bloom, but some lagoon or something with, I don't know. I just love this one. So this is it, and I will let you know how this dried, and show you the results, and maybe I will do another one. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.